People often ask one question: how did your English improve? And honestly, the answer is not what people expect. I did not memorize long vocabulary lists. I did not study grammar all day. I did not wait until I felt ready. What helped me the most was something simple. I started using English every day. Not perfectly, not seriously, just consistently. Sometime I spoke to my phone, sometime I talked to myself, sometime I recorded a short videos. At first it felt strange. I did not like my voice. I noticed every mistake. But after a while, something changed. English stopped feeling like a school subject. It started feeling like a tool to think, a tool to express ideas. And when language become tool, you stop being afraid of it. Another thing that helped me was accepting mistake. Before, one mistake could ruin my confidence. Now mistakes are just information. They show me what I need to practice next. I also learn to keep things simple. Simple sentences help me speak more, and speaking more help me improve faster. Many learners wait until their English become advanced, but improvement happens during imperfect practice, not before it. Some day I feel progress, some days I feel stuck, and that's normal. Learning a language is not a straight line. It goes up, it goes down, but it still moves forward. If I could give you one piece of advice, use English before you feel ready. Speak with the English you already have, because improvement comes from use, not waiting. I am still learning, but now I trust the process more. That's the that's make learning lighter. This is my experience so far, and I will keep practicing.